Certified most accurate forecast 7 years in a row. Chief Meteorologist Luke Zampi.
And good morning, everyone. Good to be with you here on this Sunday morning. We do have a few spotty rain showers out there. Nothing terribly heavy, but I did notice that we had some sprinkles here in the Green Bay area at about 4:30, and there's a spotty rain shower now making its way over 41 just south of Wrightstown, and you can see a few more showers out there in central Wisconsin. Nothing heavy. Just enough to kind of keep it a little damp out there for this morning. The thunderstorms are down into northern Illinois now. They're sinking away from us, so we're not expecting these to be moving in. And again, not much of an issue. Had a beautiful sunrise shot not too long ago in Manitowoc. It is 67 along the lakeshore right now. A fair amount of clouds around. 66 in Oshkosh at this hour. Looking back out over Lake Winnebago there. And in Appleton, it's 66. Fairly cloudy and mainly dry now at this hour. As we head through this morning, we're anticipating temperatures to warm up into eventually around 70 by 9 o'clock, and then we'll be in the mid-70s again today. A lot of cloud cover and a hit-and-miss shower or thunder shower will be in the forecast, eventually ending up in the low 70s along the lakeshore, and then we'll be into the mid and upper 70s everywhere else. Some of the best weather, I think, today will actually be up north, 79 in Iron Mountain. Not quite as many clouds up there. 78 in Waupaca and Wautoma, 76 in Oshkosh, and about 77 in Fond du Lac. So a few spotty showers for today. Hit and miss rain chances for Monday as well. We have a cold front that's going to be dropping in tonight. Nothing major, but just something that'll kind of keep that pesky chance around. And then behind the cold front, we turn cooler with a taste of fall arriving for midweek. Wednesday, we could have highs barely making it back to 70. So most of the day spent in the 60s, if not the entire day for some, and then eventually they'll warming up. So mid-70s for Monday, Tuesday. Here's our cool down there, and then here comes a substantial warm up. Next Sunday, we're going to be near 90. So we go from the 60s to near 90 just in a few days, and then we're kind of hovering right there into the mid-80s after that point. Right now, as we get a live look into Green Bay, it's a beautiful shot there. Again, a fair amount of clouds, but dry at this time. 67, a south wind at 3 miles per hour, and the dew points are beginning to elevate again here for today, so there'll be a little bit more humidity out ahead of this cold front. Drop down to the 50s up north, as you see there, 56 in Iron Mountain. The dew points are, again, in the 60s, so we're going to continue with a little bit of humidity. We'll be getting a break on that as we cool down for the middle part of the week. Storm system number 1 staying down to our south, cold front to our north. That'll be dropping in for tonight, and that keeps some of these pesky rain chances around as we head through today and into our Monday. So again, nothing too widespread. Here's 10 o'clock. Here's the front trying to drop through. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy skies, maybe a spotty shower, as you see there, working through. A better chance for a thunderstorm actually Monday night going into Tuesday. So for today, mostly cloudy, hit or miss shower, isolated thunder shower, nothing too widespread, no severe weather expected, and highs will be in the low to mid 70s. And then for tonight, mostly to partly cloudy, right around the low 60s. For your day tomorrow, partly sunny, just a small chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, and we will be in the mid 70s. Same story on Tuesday, and then that taste of fall arrives, a high of 69 on Wednesday. Not looking bad, though, for Thursday and Friday, and then warming up into the mid-80s by Saturday with a few storm chances. You can find our forecasts always on Twitter. Give us a follow at WFRV Weather.
All right, and did you get a chance to get out and enjoy yesterday? Because it was fantastic.
It really was, yeah. My sister came up from Milwaukee, and we had a day together. So, yeah, it was very, very nice. Probably one of the nicer days, actually. No wind and not a huge amount of humidity.
Yeah, so one of those days you go, this is why we live here.
Yes, and another day where you're going, man, our window's closing on these days.
It is already. Thank you, Luke. Well, it's an